Hello, you gorgeous lot. My name's Carl and I'm into the outdoors. Welcome back to another video. This is a last minute trip out. It's Saturday the 18th of April and the weather is absolutely glorious, it really is. It's getting on a bit, it's 5:30. I've driven down with my mate Wayne. Hello Wayne.
Hello.
Yeah, we drove down. I feel sorry for Wayne because the rugby was on, so I was listening to that. Unfortunately, we lost. Only just though. So yeah, today I'm at Spekes waterfall, which is in North Devon. Me and Wayne have been here before, but I just couldn't be bothered to film. It's just nice to actually come out and do a camp without filming. So it's absolutely stunning here. See you down there. That's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, certainly is.
Okay, so we're not had to walk very far down. It's just over half a mile, and for once we're actually starting a walk, and it's downhill for once.
Yeah, and the sun's still in the air.
Yeah, which makes a big difference for us.
In the sky. Yeah, 'cause it's normally night time.
But that is my fault because everyone's always having to wait for me. I'm just useless at packing. But here we are, Spekes waterfall. Well, you can't see the waterfall just yet, but this is the area. Absolutely lovely down here. Last time we was down this bridge, they were repairing it. A lady's walked over it, so yeah, that's all sorted now. That is the top of the waterfall. And we're going to camp just on that grassy bit just down there. So yeah, I'm not sure, I've got no plans for this video apart from the main reason why I wanted to come down here is because it's such a stunning spot last time, and the Milky Way, the centre of the Milky Way is going to appear around 2 AM this morning, right above the waterfall. So if I can capture that, I'm going to be well happy. Wayne's got his camera on him as well. He's a beginner photographer, same as me, and it'll be interesting to see what we both can get. I've also bought the star tracker as well, so you know, you can do like 10-minute exposures because you line it up with the North Star. There you are, there's Spekes waterfall. Absolutely stunning here, really is. Normally you've got two waterfalls or two different parts of the waterfall. When there's a bit more rain, a bit more water coming through, you'll have another sheet of water coming out to the right hand side of that. Right, yeah, look at this, absolutely stunning, proper North Devon coastline. There's where me and Wayne camped last time we was here. It's a bit more sheltered, a bit more out of the way, so not the way people coming down. I'm actually filming with my Insta360 with some ND filters I got for it, and it seems to be well worth the money at the moment. We just popped our kit down there just so we just settled down for a bit. I think it's slightly early to put the tents up. There's Waynus.
Hello.
And what a spot this is. Last time we was here, the tide was right out, so it's nice to see it in. I'll bring you around here. And I'd just like to say hello to Rob, who we just met. What a lovely chap. He's staying a little bit further up the north coastline. I love it. There's Lundy Island, which I believe you can get a boat out to there actually. And yeah, this is where we're gonna sleep tonight, on this bit here. So it's slightly different to last time we was here. Also, I forgot to mention just now, just there, the Milky Way should rise about 2 o'clock in the morning, rise right over that waterfall. That is going to be absolutely stunning if I can capture that right. Really will be. I'm a complete numpty. We just got the tents up and I'm putting everything in. And I realised I've left my tripod in the car. So I'll quickly show you the waterfall here. So just getting some light on that now. Just make a great photo, but I'm unable to do that without a tripod. Thankfully the car ain't too far-ish. So got a beer. Shouldn't take too long. Right, I've not done any filming since I've been back because, well, it took me about 22 minutes to get up there and get back with the tripods. And then the sun was just setting, so I've just been cracking on with getting some photography shots, drone shots. Poor Wayne, I've just, like, it's been on his own because I've just been snap, snap, snap. But it's 20 to 8 now. No, sorry, it's 20 to 9 now. Wayne started to cook already. He is Hank Marvin. I'm going to kick up in a second. But look at that, absolutely stunning here, isn't it? The drones captured some great shots. Well, I think they're great anyway. I've got to colour grade them, which will probably make it look rubbish because I don't really know what I'm doing. Tonight I've got something quick and easy, and I've got a nice big breakfast for the morning. Right, time to have some food. This evening I'm having Adventure's food, the pasta carbonara, which I've had a few times now and it's absolutely lovely. So need to add 350 mils of water into here. I do have a thing to measure in here somewhere. Right, there we go. Put in just over 350 to make up for the evaporation. I can't speak. Evaporation. I can't say it. Evaporation. I don't know. I can't say a word. So yeah. Yeah, so 350 mils in there. I better find my cook stuff actually. Oh yeah, in there. Right, time to get the water on the boil. That's now come to the boil. There we are, pasta carbonara. Quick and easy. There we are. I know, oh no, what an idiot. No. Quick, grab it. There we go. Yeah, you're supposed to take them out first. I know Dean from Life on the Rocks absolutely loved these. Better get my spoon actually, give it a little stir. And then leave it for 8 minutes. Reseal it. What are you doing? Right, so coming down to Wayne's, he's putting me to shame for once. What are you having, Wayne?
I'm learning. Well, tonight on the menu we have chicken tikka masala. We have some naan breads, garlic and coriander, and I've put boiled new potatoes in there. Pre-cooked them at home, so they're already good to go.
Good,
and I've got some rice, but I'm going to struggle with that. So it's like not a boil in the bag for the microwave. So we're gonna experiment.
Just put it in a bowl with some boiling water.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking that. I might put it in there and then put the lid on and it would like steam it, won't it?
But you'd be able to eat it raw, but because it's already been cooked.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, because it's.
But at least I'd heat it up a bit.
It's just a microwave one.
Right, I was going to wait for you, Wayne. Sorry, mate, but my tea's getting cold. Nice old Kronenberg. Absolutely stunning around there. Oh yes. That is looking yummy. You seeing that? These are really nice. I think Wayne's coming now. That's banging.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm. I can't see you much because the light. Bloody hell.
Made it. It's still lit.
He's just brought up his old Trangia thing.
Still lit.
Nuts.
Hand wipe it. Oh. Yeah, right.
Great spot, that's not it?
Yeah, feast.
It's alright, I didn't want to wait much longer because he's getting cold.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So have you got a plate?
No, I don't need one.
No, do you want some of this?
Alright, you crack on. If there's any left, I might have a little bit.
Oh, I'll tell you what, I know. I'll give you some in a bowl.
Mm.
It's clean.
There's
I'll
not.
just eat mine out of there.
There's not a lot there, mate. Don't give me too much.
Oh man, there is, honestly. Ooh, you bugger. I forgot about that.
Wet wipe.
Yeah. I should have brought me a little grabber.
This is how to do it.
This is how to do it.
And I can't believe you're putting me to shame. No one puts me to shame with eating.
Well, you showed me how to do a fry up. How to do a fry up on a trangia. So, and I prefer curry, personally.
I only want a little bit. Cheers, mate. Views are absolutely stunning.
Oh, aren't they? When the orange glow was there and the moon was, the crescent moon was out, and that star, that's unreal.
Yeah, I'll only have a tiny bit, mate.
I'll tell you what, dude, it might actually. This was supposed to cater for 4. This curry. So it might be quite rich. No, then again, no. I mean, you're not supposed to add anything to it. It's just eat it as it is. So maybe it won't be rich. There you go, mate.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Second dinner. But I've got a bit of a wet bum.
Oh,
I think it's, yeah. It's off this
damp.
bench, yeah. Oh. Soggy bottom. Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Yeah, nice one.
Should we turn that light off so we can see now?
It is quite bright, actually. Oh man, that is stunning.
It's just gone 1:30. Sorry for the lack of filming, but we've just been enjoying ourselves. We've taken loads and loads of photos. We've just been up the hill just to get some signals on the phone, although it is too late to be ringing anyone. We've taken some photos up from that field, managed to capture a bit of the Milky Way, and in about half an hour's time it should be appearing from over the waterfall. So obviously it's more difficult filming in the dark anyway, so I'll probably put a load of these photos together and put some music on it, which I'll make the music myself for it. Hello, you lovely lot. Sorry about the lack of filming last night. I was going to film in my tent, but I really couldn't be bothered, if I'm being honest with you. It was 4:10 in the morning. I set the alarm for 9 o'clock this morning, so did get up slowly, waking up and sorting all my stuff out, which is just down here. Looks like I'm doing a car boot sale or something. So I've switched my tent around so the other side can dry off now. It was really cold last night, really cold. But I was out like a light, obviously being it so late. This is Wayne's new tent he's trying out. The Fango Hedon 200 Earth Trek. And you really like it, don't you?
I do, yeah. I made up with it actually for 85 quid.
That's a bargain.
Yeah, they discontinued it apparently, this model, so people didn't like it, but personally I think it's great for that sort of money. Yeah, heaps of room.
Not my kind of tent, but as long as you like it, that's all that matters.
Well, I have the, what was the other one? The Lanshan.
Oh yeah,
the Lanshan, didn't I? And that was a wrong buy, because I ended up buying a single skinned one. But this is double skinned, and it's like rock solid. And you can open both ends up, so you can see all the way through it.
Yeah, I think.
Heaps of pockets.
What season tent is it?
I think it's only a 3 season. But
It'd be interesting to see it in the wind.
Yeah, it would.
Because the wind should really go up and over it, shouldn't it? With the shape of it, depending on what way you've got it.
And I think you can lower the poles a little bit.
Yeah.
Get the tent really hunkered down. So we'll see.
Well, you can't beat that beast over there. I love it. Yeah, we've had quite a few people walking past this morning. Someone's left their fan there. They've gone surfing down here. There's quite a few people down there in the sea already. Well, screw that. Look at the rocks. You just cut your feet to bits, surely. Right, I'm going to carry on packing away, and if I've got time, I'm going to do my big breakfast. Right, we're running out of time here a little bit. We both have to get back for 2 o'clock. So we're going to have to crack on with this. We're even debating whether to have a little swim, if we've got time. So, as promised, big breakfast. I know, there goes one sausage. I know quite a lot of you have been asking for me to come out and do this. It's been a long time since I've done a fry up. So, here we go. If I got some gas. Let's try that again. Right, sausages ain't coming out too brilliant. The non-stick pan is not non-stick anymore. It is what it is. So I'm just going to bung them in there and then cook up the bacon and so on. Also, I've got no oil either. So what I'm using, I've got these got these pork medallions, or bacon medallions, whatever you want to call them. They weighed off a couple of days ago, but they'll be fine. Bit of a small pan to be doing all this in, really. So what I've done, I've put the other frying pan on top of the other one just to keep the sausages warm. And I'm hoping actually I might be able to cook my black pudding on there too. Then when the bacon's done, or the medallions are done, take them out, put them on top, and do the eggs. Right, it's actually on fire within the pan. That's nothing compared to what it was like just a minute ago, but by the time I set the camera all up to film it, it had gone out. So I definitely ain't going to be doing my eggs on there. I have to do the eggs in the other pan, I think. I need to work out what to do here, because got to do the eggs. Might just chuck that on there a minute. Try and empty this out as best I can. Huh? Oh yeah, well no, you don't want to get all that out, yeah. What I'll do, I'll just chuck everything on there, not to Kirk, yeah, and then just do the eggs in there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. It might still taste a bit charcoaly. But it's going to be better than nothing. Even the eggs are going to
Oh, that'd be good for the eggs.
down for his little snack lunchbox thing.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, I think these are going to be more scrambled egg than fried eggs. So go one side. No, I've just gone all to one end because the bottom ain't level. I'd be hard to hold it like this. Yeah. You had to put the. I should just leave that for a minute. Oh look, the yolk's gone into little love art.
I'll have the broken bits.
No, I'll have one broken bit and we'll have one nice one each. I'll have that one.
That's a bit jelly.
That's fine, I don't mind that. To be fair,
To flip them. Oh no.
I ain't, nah. They come out alright considering.
Yeah.
I really thought they'd come out like scrambled egg.
No, they're fine.
I do.
Nice.
Crack on. First breakfast served. It come out better than I thought actually. A lot better.
Yeah. I'll let you know.
But all these stunning views as well.
Oh yeah. What a place to fry it. What a place to have fry it.
So there you are, Paul and Nick and whoever else has said about fry ups. I think you have as well, Pete. There we go. Well, that's it for this camp. Had a really good time, me and Wayne. We didn't get here till quite late, but we made the most of it, and we're all packed up. So that's where I was. Wayne was back there. We've had a look around. We've not left anything. In fact, we've picked up a bit of rubbish that was down over there. So yeah, there's that one all done, isn't it?
Yes.
Till the next time.
Another one bites the dust. I think this is probably my favourite up to now.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Weather-wise.
Yeah, absolutely.
Obviously not had time to go for a swim. What time is it now anyway?
3 minutes past 12. Yeah.
We've got to be back by 2. It's about a 2-hour drive, so we better crack on. And I can't even speed. I don't speed anyway. What I mean about I can't even drive hastily because I need to sort my brakes out. They're legal, but they need sorting.
Yeah, they do actually. I forgot about that.
I'm surprised I ain't got to sort out the suspension with my weight in the car. But yeah, I'll leave you with this lovely view. Spekes waterfall. You can see the tide's gone right out. See you on the next video. Cheers.